let's see how much I'm gonna get for it. Ooh, that's very good. Alright, let's start the car. And we are dropping back into Car Mechanic Simulator 21. We have a lot of stuff that we'll need to do in today's episode. So there's the Murcielago, we will need to finish that. There's the Pagani Huayra, we will need to finish that and sell it. There is also quite a few other projects around the yard here. So we have the Aston Martin DBX, we will need to finish that and sell it also in today's episode. I might start working on the other R8, and there's also the Italia SLS AMG copy, Porsche 964, and there's also the Diablo that we will need to do in some at one point basically. So yeah, we have loads of stuff to do, so I'm gonna say that let's get into it. Let's finish the Murcielago. I basically just need some wheels for it, and I think the transmission, but no, that's also on it. So yeah, we will need to do those, and then we're gonna finish the Pagani. So let's just drop into it and finish the Murcielago. Alright guys, I got the wheels for the Murcielago. Let's just put the car in the air for now, and let's put on the axles, and then I can put the wheels on. Also guys, if you will enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also just drop a comment in the comment section down below how you like the game, how you feel about it, and also how you feel about the Audi S5 rebuild, how you like it so far. So check that out also on the top right, somewhere over there, and yeah, just check that out also. Let's just drop back into the video. Okay, let's put the axle on, and not the wheel yet. Let's put the other axle also on, and the starter is also on. Yeah, I don't miss anything, that's very good. Okay, let's just lower the car back down. I will put the wheels on, and then you guys will be able to see the final result of the... Oh my god, I have quite a few wheels right here. Alright, so here are the new wheels on the car. I think they look absolutely amazing with this car. They fit so much, so yeah, I think I'm very happy with these. Alright, let's see what we will need to still do. I think I will need to fill the car up with the fluids, and then we are good to go to the paint shop. So let's just do that. Alrighty guys, so we are in the paint shop now. As you can see, I don't know what I'm gonna paint it, but yeah, just stay tuned for the paint, and hopefully it's gonna be alright. I very much need a very good paint on this car. So let's just drop into the options. Alright guys, I am very happy with the color, how it came out, with the wheels, with the like everything on this car. I think this looks absolutely amazing. It's a kind of a purplish blue, but the main is blue and then some purple added to it. Some metallic, of course. Now the car is gonna go basically there where the Impala is, and then we already have a Murcielago. That's very good. How much would I be able to sell this car for? A lot of money. So I will need to start selling some cars now. Alright, let's put this car there, and then we can start working on the DBX. Oh, and the Pagani, of course. Oh my god. We have two cars there. Two terribly bad cars. So let's just start working on the Pagani, because I think that's gonna be worth more. So let's just take off everything that I can so far. Not that much is remaining on the cars, sadly, so I won't be able to save a lot of parts of it. But at least there are some that I might be able to save. Alright, it's done. Let's start taking apart the suspension, and then take out the engine, and let's start building up the suspension. Also guys, I will need your help with something. I told you that I'm finishing the Audi S5 in a few weeks now, and I will need a new project car. And I need your help, guys. What do you guys want to see on the channel? What kind of project car you want me to restore, rebuild, or anything? I will be able to show you some options in the next video. I don't know actually what to buy, and then maybe you guys in the comment section can just drop your ideas or anything what you want to see in the next rebuild. So thank you for your comments there and your help. Okay, engine is now out, and what I think the whole car, yeah, it now is just a shell, which is very good for us because I can just weld the car now for a lot of money, and now we have a completely, fully 100% shell. Yeah, let's just repair some stuff and then build the engine and then build the suspension. I could actually save some parts, that is very good. Let's just start building the engine now, and that's gonna be done, which is probably the hardest part or the longest part. Building this big V12 engine. we're gonna do this and then we're gonna build the suspension. Also, the engine parts that I bought was 31,000 credits, which is a lot, and I still need to buy the ECU, which is gonna be 8,000. So yeah, this car is gonna cost a lot of money to me, but hopefully I will be able to stay at 350,000 when the car is gonna be done, and hopefully I will be able to sell this for around that much also, so I can double my money with this. This is a very big engine, but it's a very good one. This V12 engine does have a very nice sound, and also I don't know, like probably most of you knew that, but in the Pagani cars there are AMG engines, which is very cool, very weird also, but yeah, I mean, worth it for Pagani that they do it like this way. They don't need to develop a whole engine for it. The AMG just does it for them. Hopefully, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section if they actually like AMG fully builds their the Pagani engines, or does Pagani have anything to say in it, basically. I don't know about that. Okay, engine seems to be very much done. Let's get to the suspension, guys, and then let's finish that also. Alright, so I basically have everything for the car, and I'm already under 350,000. I'm 337, as you can see. So yeah, let's just quickly start finishing up this car and sell it as quickly as we can, because this car is costing me a lot of money already. Alright, I thought I will be able to do it with that much, but apparently no. But now I supposed to have everything for it, hopefully. Alright, I decided to just lower the car again to put the engine in, because then I will be able to do the whole like rear suspension on the car. And I think that was way easier than just make the suspension, then put in the engine, then to lift the car up again, and then it's just. I was also able to repair the old transmission, which I will sell to get a good profit. Apparently, I will need to do the exhaust when the car is on the ground, because I can't do it like this. Okay, now I should be done with the bottom of the car. Let's put it down. Let's put the wheels on, I will say, because I think it will look sick with this. Hope I will be able to stop at the goddamn 330 grand. Or they wanna put more into this car. Alright, now we are in the paint shop. I already put the interior in. Everything is basically done now. I don't know why is it on like wood right there. It shouldn't be, but it is. I don't know what that. I've never seen it. Okay, let's just not talk about it. All right, let's just put the body on the car. Basically everything that I got, and then we will see. I like that blue very much. I mean, yeah, I'm a sucker for blue, but that blue that looks very good on this Huayra, I think, in my opinion. Alright guys, as you can see now, the bricks are not under the car, because apparently I very much messed up the wheels in the front and in the back. That was my bad. But now the car is done. It looks like this. I think I am absolutely that color looks absolutely amazing on the car with this brownish interior. This looks very good. So yeah, now we are going to sell this car, and yeah, we're gonna make some money out of it, and then we can do the DBX. Let's see how much I'm gonna get for it. As you can see, everything is 100%ed out. Everything. Ooh, that is money. 400,000 in profits. That's very good. All right, let's sell the car. Nice, we are getting very close to that 1 million. I will need to rename the series after we are done, because I'm definitely sure that we're gonna go over the million with all these cars. So yeah, let's just get back to here. Oh god, there's the R8. It looks so good. All right, let's start with the DBX. Let me just put it in the air and take off the suspension of the car. By the way, guys, I need to know very much how you like the Aston Martin DBX, because in my opinion, it's not so good looking. It's not a perfect car. It looks alright. I would definitely try it, but it's not my world, not my style. But I'm curious how you guys like it. Put it in the comment section down below how you actually like the DBX. I have SUVs that I like more than the DBX. I have way more. Like the Audi Q7, the BMW X5, maybe the X7. I don't know. The Mercedes GLS. That looks very cool. And of course the Cayenne. The Cayenne looks very good, the Porsche Cayenne. The new Ferrari Purosangue, I don't know how you say it, that one. That also looks very cool, in my opinion. That's also a very cool car. Now, hopefully nice. Yes, cool, nice. Alright, let me move to the bug, but before, I'm gonna check if there is any oil in the car. Alright, the car is taken apart. Let's get the engine out, let's weld it up, basically. And also let's take off the body panels, what I still need to do. Alright, so I spent massive amount of money, so that means 20, 50, 75,000 credits basically I spent now. So yeah, let's I think I have everything now for the car, so let's just start assembling it, because I will need to sell this immediately, because yeah, I also bought 22 inch wheels for the car, because those are the factory wheel size, and apparently they look so small, and I don't know how, but they look so weird. I have no idea. And I even did lower profile, because the original profile was 40, I did 35, and it still looks quite weird. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this car that much, so I'm just gonna quickly sell it as soon as I'm done. Also, did you guys know that for Aston Martin, also AMG or Mercedes makes the engines, which is also quite a fun fact, cool fun fact. So AMG is doing quite a good job if everyone is asking for their engines. Oh my god, you need to remove the whole bottom of the engine to do the timing chain. Jesus, oh my god, it's because it's with the oil pump. That is just very, very bad. But it is such a custom, like such a unique engine in this game. Like I'm just looking around, like I have never seen anything like this, or didn't even do it in the game yet. But yeah, it's interesting, to be honest. It's very interesting. Loads of interesting parts to the engine. Lots of interesting designs. I wouldn't buy it just because of the service fees. Like, it doesn't worth it. When you need to when you need to change a timing chain, you're gonna pay everything for this car, basically everything. It's worse than a 3 liter TDI timing chain change, because you just need to pull the engine out. But in this one, I mean, I don't know if you need to pull the engine out because it's in the front at least, but still, it's not that easy. Luckily, I have everything for the car. It's very good, because then I will just need to puzzle it back together or Lego it. Again, guys, I don't know how people or like YouTubers are looking at the face cam by playing, because I need to watch the screen and I just can't look at you guys all the time. Sometimes I catch a glance, but still. Okay, and now the back is also done. We should be fully done, except one thing that I forgot to put on is the starter. Of course, I forget it all the time. Now let's put the car down. Yep, and now I'm going to put everything together, and then we are gonna be able to paint the car. Oh my god, okay, I found them, guys. Jesus Christ, why there? Oh my god. No shit that I forgot to put them in and didn't see them, basically. I already wanted to just look for it online. I Google it where it is, but where they are, but whew, that was good. I found it at the very end. Alright guys, now we are in the paint shop. Now I'm just gonna put the car together. I should have everything for it. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. And then we will be able to paint it. I think I'm gonna stick to the red paint, but maybe a white would look very good on this. Alrighty guys, so here's the DBX. Tell me how you like it. I think the white fits it perfectly with the red interior. As I said, it's not my favorite car. It is what it is. It looks alright. And I told you guys about the wheels. They are 22 inches, and then they look so small on the car for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, yeah, we are selling it. The car is 100% completed, as you can see. Now let's see how much we're gonna... 325,000. That's a lot of money. All right, let's sell it, and we are almost at the 1 million. All right, guys. So what's gonna happen now is that I'm going to get that Mercedes into the that one spot right there. We are going to fix it up to more in the next episode. We're also going to fix the Audi R8 and maybe the Italia in the next one. And there I will have 3 more cars remaining, but because I wanna keep them except the Impala or Bel Air, but I think that's an Impala, I might buy another car for sale. But this is the end of the video, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and just drop a comment in the comment section down below how you like the game, how you feel about the DBX, the Murcielago, of course, how you like them, how you like the Audi S5 that I'm rebuilding in real life, of course, and also just check that out on the top right somewhere there. And yeah, just tell me in the comment section also what I should get next in real life for the next project car, and what should I sell from these garage. Like, what would you like me to keep and what would you like me to sell? So if you made it until here, thank you for watching again. I hopefully will see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a very, very nice day, stay very positive, and now I'm out. Bye bye.